Just look at this research proposal I have created using Google Gemini Deep Research. And here is the title, Current State of Lifetime in Sodium and Lithium-ion Batteries. And look at the table, summary table of performance metrics, degradation mechanism, and here is the summary table of lifespan under different conditions, conclusion and future outlook, strengths, weaknesses, potential for future improvements, and finally the work cited. Look at this. There are many citations given at the end. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a research report using Google Gemini Deep Research. Here we are into gemini.google.com, and here you can see we have this option Deep Research. The research report that you have just seen was created using this Deep Research option in Gemini. Over here you can see we have many models of Gemini, Gemini 2 Flash, Get Everyday Help, Gemini 2 Flash Thinking, which is now in experimental stage. It uses advanced reasoning, and Deep Research, Get in-depth research reports, and finally Personalization, which is also in experimental stage, which actually helps you summarize, analyze, or evaluate data based on your search history. And finally here we have Gemini Advanced. But we are going to use Gemini Deep Research today. Over here you can put in your prompt about creating a research report, a research proposal, or something like a comparison report. Let me put in my prompt, and here is my prompt. Write a research proposal on development of environment-friendly polymers from renewable resources. Synthesis, characterization, and application. And here you can see we have two options, Deep Research and Canvas. Currently Deep Research is in a blue color, which means it is currently activated. So simply click on this submit button and wait for the magic. And there you can see it has put together a research plan for us. And here is the plan of action that it is going to take. Search for recent research articles and reviews on the synthesis of environment-friendly polymers. Secondly, find information on various renewable resources that can be used for polymer production. Let me expand it as starch, cellulose, lignin. And third option, research a different characterization technique, explore potential application of environmental. Just look at it. How beautifully it has crafted. Just look at this, how beautifully it has crafted this initial plan. Secondly, it will go to analyze the results and create a report. The research plan that it has created isn't the right one. You can go over here, edit it, and then ask it to, since I'm already satisfied with the one that it has created, so I'm going to click over start research, and let's wait what it's going to do now. Over here you can see it is started showing thinking. I'm starting to gather information for a research proposal, key areas of investigation, future research direction. So this is actually the thinking process. It is reasoning just like us humans do. And let's wait for a few minutes, and over here you can see it is researching original websites which contains data from peer review articles. Sigma Eldridge, MDPI, PMC, Springer, review articles identified, key themes emerging, next step, deeper dive, efficiency, sustainability, further information needed. Just look at it. Even it has gone to ResearchGate. It's collecting data from authentic journals and putting together a research report for which we will have to wait a few more minutes. And over here you can see it says researching 70 websites. Comprehensive overview achieved, research saturation point, and next step, proposal synthesis. My next action will be to synthesize all the information I have gathered into a structured research proposal. Yeah, just like we humans do using spreadsheets like Excel. And there you go, it has created a research proposal that we have demanded a development of environment-friendly polymers from renewable resources, synthesis, characterization, application. Just look at it. Introduction, literature review, renewable resources for polymer production. Here is the first table, comparison of renewable resources for polymer production. And here it says you can export it to sheets as well. Characterization technique for bio-based polymers. Applications, impact and sustainability. Current challenges and limitations. Recent advancements and emerging trends. Just look at it. Identification of research gaps. Proposed research objectives. Conclusion. And here are the sources used in this report. And from here, we can actually export it to Google Docs And the other option that you see is we can actually copy the content, and we have also the option to generate audio overview as well. Let me first export it to Docs. Simply click over here, and it is currently loading in Google Docs. Let's wait for a few more seconds, and there you go. It has done it in no time. Just look at it, how comprehensive and fine-tuned it looks to be. And at the end we have works cited. Let's check the other option. Here you can see we have the other option, which is generate audio overview. Let me click over it, and now it is generating an audio overview. And here we have our audio overview. Let me click over here, play it for you.
So you're looking for a deep dive on environment-friendly polymers from renewable resources.
That's right.
And we've got just the thing to really break it all down for.
Absolutely.
This research proposal lays out the whole quest for sustainable alternatives to those, traditional plastics everyone's trying to move away from.
Right. Yeah, and I mean, we all know the downsides of the conventional petroleum-based polymers.
Yeah.
Finite resources and all that, plus all the energy it takes to produce them. And
the pollution.
Yeah, the pollution is a big one.
And just look at it. It is actually a kind of podcast between two people who are discussing this research proposal, evaluating its content, and discussing the solutions that the report carries. Finally, over here, it says sources read but not used in the report. So some of the data that it has read from Sigma Aldrich but hasn't been used in the report. And here are the thoughts. It is actually the reasoning that it has done with itself while compiling this report. And if you want some modifications in your proposal, you can ask a Gemini right from here. So that was it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.